Let me ask you something. How much do you think 10,000 will be worth 10 years from now? Not much, isn't it? In fact, with India's inflation rate averaging around 6 to 7 percentage, the money would lose half of its value by then. Now I know what you're thinking. I have got an SIP, I'm paying or investing 10,000 per month and I'm safe for next 10 years, 15 years, I will build some corpus. Well, that's not right. And here is the harsh truth. If your SIP is static, it might leave you broke whenever you need it the most. Shocked? Don't worry, we are all in this together. Here in this video, I will show you how to fix it. Here is the problem. While investing the same 10,000 every month, you have your friend and it is inflation. It is eating silently all the purchasing power. In the next 10 years, your SIP might grow. And consider if you have invested in the mutual fund for next 10 years, you are investing, it may grow, but so your expenses as well. Because you see the interest rate, and if you have 10,000 now, after 10 years, the value of 10,000 might be 5,000 or 4,000. Yeah. So how do you ensure your money doesn't grow but outpaces the inflation? The answer is something most people don't do it, don't take it seriously. It is stepping up your SIPs. So when you have an SIP plan, make sure that you step it up every year. Now let's run through some numbers. Maybe imagine you have started a plan where you are investing 10,000 per month. But instead of keeping it constant for next 10 years or 20 years, what you have to do is you have to increase your investments or SIP with the percentage of hike that you are getting. Let me put it in a simple word. So here how it works. Consider you have 8% of annual hike that you are getting from your paycheck or company. Now year one, you have invested it for, you have invested 10,000 for your SIP. Now year two, you have got your hike, you have got your increment and it is 8%. Now what you have to do is this 10,000 you have to increase by another 8%, in the sense for the year two. Your SIP should be 10,800. And year three, if you have got another 8%, then your 10,800 would change to 11,600 per month. So likewise, over a period of time, you have to keep on increasing your SIP value as per your hikes or changes in the pay. Now, for instance, consider 10,000 you have started from year 1 and 8% you are increasing every year. Then you would have invested somewhere around 17.5 lakh, and now consider you have put it in some mutual fund which is giving you 12% return. Anyways, if you close your eyes and put it in any of the leading mutual funds, you will get 12%. And if you are putting it in the index nifty, you will get 14% anyways. So your wealth, basically whatsoever you have invested with the step up, would be approximately somewhere around 35 lakhs. But if you have a static SIP, in the sense if you have decided to invest 10,000 per month for next 10 years without changing anything, without stepping up, then your worth of investment would be around 23 lakhs. That's where you could see a significant difference. You see the difference. That's the power of step up. And before you ask, no, you don't need a millionaire mindset for this or a billionaire mindset for this. Just commit to investing a little more every year, because your salary hike shouldn't only fund Netflix and Zomato. But if you don't step up your SIP, what happens? Let's see. Let's stick to the 10,000 which we were discussing in the last minute, where you have consider you have a static SIP and you will grow only, as discussed, 23 lakhs for 10 years. But with simple 8%, your wealth jumps to 35 lakhs, which is somewhere around 12 lakhs. That's what separates average planning from the smart investing. With static SIP, you will grow only 23 lakhs in 10 years. But with simple 8% step up, your wealth jumps to 35%. Now imagine in 1 year you have got 23% or 25%, you got a promotion and you have increased your SIP with a similar proportion. You wouldn't see 12 lakhs, you would see something different number. right? So this is what separates average planning from smart investing. If you think 10,000 is enough for your future, think again. Education, healthcare, and even your basic lifestyle will be doubled or tripled. No wonder, right? No wonder. The only way to secure your future is to make your investments grow with your income, as step up ensures you don't just grow your wealth but also protect it from inflation. I would recommend you to start doing it right now, and trust me, you will thank yourself later. Now you know the secret to beat inflation. Start today, and remember, step up SIPs are not luxuries but they are necessity right now. Yeah, I would like to end this with a quote. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Wishing you good luck in your financial journey. Have a good day. Bye.